Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 9C, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this device. Firstly, open Play Store. Then type iOS Launcher and download this app from this developer. Now open it. Tap Allow and click Home button. Choose iOS Launcher and iOS Launcher again. Tap Got it. As you can see, iOS Launcher was applied successfully. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!